Hi, for question number 6, the points P and Q have position vectors relative to the origin O given by OP is equal to 7i plus 7j minus 5k and OQ is equal to minus 5i plus j plus k. The midpoint of PQ is the point A. The plane pi is perpendicular to the line PQ and passes through A. Find the equation of pi, giving your answer in the form ax plus by plus cz plus cz is equal to d. 4 marks. And for the second part, the straight line through P parallel to the x-axis meets pi at the point B. Find the distance AB correct to 3 significant figures. 5 marks for the second part. Okay, for the first part of the question, here are the information. We are told that the plane is perpendicular to the line PQ. I've put the plane flat horizontal on the ground so that we can make it a lot easier. PQ could be then, if it's perpendicular, right, it could be normal to the plane. So let's find the vector PQ. So first of all, PQ is equal to PO, which is then minus 7 and 5 plus OQ, and OQ is minus 5, 1, 1. And if we add the vector up, we're going to get minus 12, minus 6 and 6. So that's the vector PQ, which is normal to the plane. So the equation could be then minus 12x minus 6y plus 6z is equal to d. We need a point to replace in there. That's the point A. We are also told that A is the midpoint of PQ. So by ratio theorem, we could find the vector OA. So OA is going to be equal to, this is 1, 1. So 1 times OP, which is then 7 minus 5 plus 1 times OQ, and OQ is minus 5, 1, 1. And then you divide all of them by 2. So this 7 plus minus 5 is minus 2, is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. Remember, we're trying to find the vector OA. And then we have minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, divided by 2 is going to be equal to minus 2. So now that's the vector OA. So to find D, minus 12 times 1, then minus 6 times 4, plus 6 times minus 2. Do that, you're going to get 48, minus 48. Therefore, the equation of the plane Q, the plane pi, should be then 12x plus 6y minus 6z is equal to 48. Here we are for the first part of the question. Okay, for the second part of the question, let me just redraw the plane. So this is the plane. We have the line PQ in such a way that PQ is perpendicular to the plane. Alright, and this is the point A. And also there is a line that goes through P and it touches the plane at B. So we have to find the distance AB. And this line, again, we are told that it is parallel to the x-axis. If it's parallel to the x-axis, we can find its equation. So equation of vector line PB is going to be equal to PO, OP, which is then 7 minus 5, that was given in the question, plus some parameter lambda, and the direction vector of the x-axis is 1, 0, 0. It follows that this should be fine. So we have a general point now, 7 plus lambda, you got 7 and then minus 5. This satisfies the equation of this plane. The equation of the plane was found to be 12x plus 6y minus 6z is equal to 48 in part 1. We can take this point, substitute here. So you're going to get 12 times 7 plus lambda plus 6 times 7 minus 6 times minus 5 is equal to 48. If you solve for lambda, you will see that lambda is going to be equal to minus 9. Substituting minus 9 here, we can get a general point. Now remember, this is a general point on the plane, on the line PB. Okay, and a general point also, 7 plus minus 9 is minus 2. Then we got 7, and then we got minus 5. So we have A from the first part of the question as it was found to be 1, 4 and minus 2. Therefore we can find the vector AB. Alright, so the vector AB can be found by taking AO plus OB. AO is minus 1 minus 4, 2, and then plus OB, which is minus 2. Alright, and then 7 minus 5. Let's add these up. That's going to be minus 3, that's going to be 3, that's going to equal to minus 3. Therefore the distance AB, or the magnitude of AB, by using the formula, can be found to be all these to the square and the square root of their sum. So that's the square root of 999. That's going to be square root of 27. So for 27, the square root of that is going to be 5.196. Therefore AB is equal to 5.196 and so on. That means it's approximately 5.20 to 3 significant figures. And here we are for the last part of the question. Take care.